In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip and use Haki here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is find any teleporter around the map, interact with it, and go ahead and make your way over to Desert Island. Once you're at Desert Island, make your way just straight past the main little building over here, and this is the observation Haki right here. As soon as you have it, you just have to press H to activate it, which will let you dodge attacks automatically. It's very nice. The next Haki is going to be the Armament Haki. This one is available on Snow Island, so go ahead and teleport there. There's a few quests that you actually have to do in order to knock this one out. Let me take this guy out real quick though. If you make your way to the back of the island, you're going to see the Haki trainer right here. Interact with him, complete the quest, and then of course after you do that, you just have to hit G in order to use it. Once you go ahead and do that though, make your way back over to the teleporter, and once you're at the teleporter, go ahead and go to Shibuya Station for the Conquer Haki. Essentially, once you're here, just go straight to the main little building kind of close to where Sukuna spawns, or the Cursed King. Just make your way up and straight over to the very back of that building. And this is the Conquer Haki trainer. Essentially interact with them right here. And then, of course, once you do the quest, and this one is kind of long, you will immediately have a passive damage boost pretty much forever. And that is the entire process. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.